In today's world, being strong is not enough. Being aware, prepared, and trained is essential. So learn self-defense today and stay safe. So in today's video, we will teach you if someone grab you from the front side like a bear hug, then how to defend yourself. So let's start. If someone grab you like this and lift you up. Now here, step number 1. First, you will resist yourself and keep your leg on his knee and push his knee with your foot like this. When his balance is going to be out, watch again. Keep your leg under his knee like this and push his knee. When his balance is going to be out, now keep your leg fastly like this and throw him down like this way, as you can see. Now I'll show you this technique from the other side. When you grab, yes, step 1, lose your balance and take side position. Now keep your leg back on his knee and throw him down. And punch. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in fast motion, how it works or not. Yes. Guys, what about this technique? If you like, then press the like button, subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.